Hey everyone, my name's Andy. I'm a Salesforce admin and I'm creating this beginner's guide to building Salesforce Flows for any new admins or anyone that might just want a refresher. So this is episode 2 and the topic is going to be record triggered flows when a record is updated. So the requirement for this flow is going to be when the phone number on a pre-existing contact is updated, we want the phone number on their account to update as well. So the first thing we're going to do is go to Flow Builder. So we'll go to Setup, type in Flows, and choose New Flow. And then we're going to choose Record Triggered Flow, right? Launches when a record is created, updated, or deleted. Okay, so a couple things to fill out. So the first one is select the object whose records trigger the flow. So for us, it'll be contact. Trigger the flow when a contact is updated. And then we want to set an entry condition, right? This is important because if we kept it as none, that means that this flow is going to trigger every single time we update a contact, and that's not what we want, right? We only want this to update, or to trigger rather, when we update the phone number. So we're going to choose all conditions are met. The field is going to be phone. And for operator, we're going to select is changed, which will be a true false. Right? Yes, no. Okay, true. When to run the flow, every time a record is updated and meets the requirements, right? We can't change this because we chose this is changed operator, but this is what we would have put anyway. And then actions and related records for optimize the flow. So perfect, we'll keep that there. So quick recap. This flow is going to trigger when a contact is updated and the phone number is changed. So we'll hit done. Okay. So the next thing we want to do is we want to update their account, right? We want to update the phone number on the account. So we'll hit this plus to add an element. And we're going to go all the way to the bottom to this data section and choose update records. Okay. And for label, we'll say update account. And we'll give a description. Always give descriptions, right? So we'll say update account phone, right? It can be as descriptive or not, but it's better to have something than nothing. So how to find the records to update? We're going to choose this bottom option, specify conditions to identify records, and we'll do it manually. So for object, we want account. And then filter account records. How are we going to find the account record that we want to update, right? So we're going to filter by ID. And then we always want to get the account ID that's on whatever contact record triggers the flow, right? So over here in value, whenever we want to get a value from a record that triggers the flow, we're going to type in record, and I'll go into this prior in a second, but we're going to choose this top option, and we'll type in account ID. So this will ensure that dynamically, any contact that triggers this record, we will be grabbing their account. And then the field we actually want to update on the account is the phone. Okay, so again, we want it to match the contact phone. So we'll type in record. Now, a quick note about this prior section. The reason that that's there is because we chose the is changed operator. So this just means the value that was there before that update happened, right? And that's not what we want because we want that new phone number. So we'll choose the top option and we'll say phone. Okay, and then hit done. So quick recap. This flow is going to fire when a contact is updated and the phone number is changed, and then it is going to grab the account and update their phone number. So we'll hit save. We'll say maybe like update account phone. Okay, hit save. And then important, activate it, right? Okay, so let's test it. So we have our contact, right? Phone numbers match, and I'm just going to change this and hit save. I go to the account, and the account changes as well. Perfect. And that is creating a record triggered flow that will fire when a record is updated. Thanks for watching.